Ah, oh, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take it easy, Danny. Take it easy. Let's go. Boat's ready. He's got to put the things inside. We're here at the marina. My boy, Tiny boy. Gonna bring everything down. Battery's there. One thing, guys, we didn't have the green and red light, so we're gonna improvise. We got this right here. Got it for this $3, the family dollar. But yes, white, both sides. But we got crayons. So we're gonna do one side red and one side green. I'll show you the results later on. Oh, by the way, whenever you guys can support, always remember, it's in school. Let's go. You name from what fish this came out from?
It's gotta be a tarpon.
Please post on the video. So I have no clue. Compare it to my hand. Look at that. And it's filthy here. Look at this.
Got a baby's hand.
Everywhere. Had to be a giant. Alright guys, we're ready to go. I got my boy Danny in the middle, Driz on the front, and I'll take the back. Let's go. Another beautiful afternoon. Today we are going for some snappers and anything else that bites. The time right now is, can't even tell right now, it's 7:05. Let's see how it goes, guys. So we're just checking out the bay. We're about, what, 12 feet of water probably. On Purdy Avenue, if you guys know what we're talking about. There used to be a nice club back in the days. You guys remember, Danny?
Yeah, I remember that place.
Okay, right now we're targeting some snappers. If we get lucky, some trouts. Well, we see some cars passing by, but we don't have lights. But we did improvise. And we came along this light here that I found at the dollar store.
Nice.
So, I got two markers. Green, red, and I actually do have a white light. So we're just gonna stick to this. Stay tuned, we're gonna let you know what we catch. We're finally here. We threw the little 3.5 anchor. What we're using here for bait, Danny?
Live shrimp.
Live shrimp.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Couldn't get much, but we made it happen. We got 4 doses right there. Now we're just waiting for the little moment. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a move. Next spot right here. We got some potential for some big snappers. Big shrimp. Seawalls. It's right here. Let's get a little further out. Right here. All right, brother. Throw the anchor.
It's tied, right?
Yeah, let's do it. That's it. All right, guys, make it happen. Let's put the back light. Alright, let's do this! Got a nice little live shrimp here. 3J. Oh, wait, my boy's on. You still on? Watch it, don't bring it on a boat. Alright, we got the first little mangrove.
Don't do them.
Let him go. Fish first fish always goes back.
That's a mango?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's probably like a little 6, 7. Here we go, guys. 3-0 circle hook. 2 ounce.
Danny, decapitation.
Lead.
Is that yours?
25-pound leader. And we got some nice braid here, 40 pound braid. Everything purchased at Captain Jack's, my guy. Oh, hold on, I'm getting bite already. I'm getting bit already. You still go around, Joy, or no?
Want me to face you that way? See him?
He's gone. Whatever it was, it's gone. All right, hold it. Try to clear that up. I'm gonna get us some fresh water for the shrimp.
Yeah, one drop.
Danny, one job.
That's the gut, no?
More refill. Oh, why would his inside be that hard, man? Oh, it's fucking like,
Alright guys, the bite's starting to pick up. Getting a bite? You getting it? Oh, I'm on. You on? I'm on right here. There you go. Let's go. I got you right here. Come on. Don't worry about my fish. Let's go. Come on. What about this one? Wait. Hold on. Go now. Go. He got you in again, bro. He got you in again. You gotta be faster than that, brother. Oh, look at that fish.
that's probably his.
Yeah.
That's another fish.
Mira el pescadito lado.
2 for 1?
Yeah,
Henry, 2 for 1, brother.
damn, bro.
Yeah, it's stuck.
You lose another beast, Danny. Come on, man. No, I got a Joy. Thank you.
No, don't pull it. Can you see him?
All right, let's see. Let's go again. Let's do this. Oh, all right. Okay, now we're talking.
There you go.
Let's go. Let's make sure. We're only keeping 12 and up. Let's check it out, Joy. Let's get the measurement really quick. Be careful with the boat, Joy. Measure it. Hold it and measure it. Yeah. Gotta be that minimum. All the way from the bottom.
No, it's up here.
No, Joy, I know it's up there, but it's all the way to the end. What are we looking at?
11.
11?
10 and a half, 11.
All right, I don't want it. I want big boys.
Oh, if it's curving? Oh, there was a curve.
It's all right, I get it.
Yeah?
What's the curve? It's probably, it's still under. Probably like an 11. We can still keep it, but we're not going to keep it.
Oh, no,
Let's go. Y ya me llevó el palo, bro. Estos pescados son pilas. Ya me llevó el palo, bro.
Siempre hacen lo mismo.
Este sí estaba muy grande. Por eso hay que estar desde afuera. And I had to tie the drag tie.
There's some slick right here. Slick.
And again. But it's me, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go. Joy, you don't even have to measure that boy. That's a big boy right there.
It's a beautiful one.
Let's get a little out of.
Want to measure it?
You can measure it, but that's definitely a keeper. We're finally gonna have one in the cooler.
Oh, no, there's fish here.
No, besides the beers.
There you go.
We got fish in the cooler. Let's go, boys. Yeah, you can measure it if you want to waste your time.
Where's
We'll
the
go for
thing?
it.
Where is it? Dame la cosa.
Dale, right here. Bing, 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 bing. ding, ding, ding. Let's go, boys.
Exactly 12.
Like I told you guys. Let's do this. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
That's what's up.
Drizzle. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's go for another one. Oh, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Far away.
Take it easy, Danny. Take it easy. Let's go.
There's no wall.
No,
Let's go.
Se fue.
Damn.
Se te fue?
Yeah, se
Taking
fue.
a quick little break from fishing. I'm showing you a little bit of the houses here. We got a 4 million house over here from Luis Miguel. Over here to our right, we got Shakira. Hips don't lie.
Until they do.
Until they do, until you look from the back. But then again, see that boat over there? We'll get there one day. Meantime, we're still here. We got a little inflatable. Let me give you the detail of this inflatable. We got a Mariner 4. I actually bought it used. Weight capacity 1,100 pounds. So far we got about 600 probably. Got my boy Joy here, my boy Danny. The battery alone is about 70 pounds from Vietnam. And yep, that's all for now. Let me keep showing you around.
Ooh, JT.
Oh, oh,
that drift
I
kick.
bet that expensive boat can do this. Oh, wait, woohoo! Let's go. Let's do this. All right, let's keep going a little further down before we get kicked out. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're on a chase. We don't know what it is. Might be a little shark from what I'm feeling. I'm hoping it's not. We don't get excited for sharks. But he's fighting good though. Stay with us. I'll show you. Danny, try to follow that. See it, I see it. Joy, what are you doing, Joy? This way, this side, this side.
No, swing.
Oh, we got another bone ahead.
Catch him enough.
All right, guys, that's what it is. Let's get to see it.
Catch him enough, brother.
We're gonna try to bring them out just so I can get the hook. Don't worry about that, Joy. Don't worry about the net.
Wanna catch him?
Let's just get it out. Joy, forget the net, bro.
No?
Just get it from, get the leader.
You got him,
Just get the leader, Joy. There you go, that's it. That's it, perfect. All right, guys, there he goes. Oh, and he left the hook.
All right, guys, this is how we end the night. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.